finding the inverse of a rational function. So consider this given function here, which is f of x is equal to 2 over x plus 3. So we have two parts of the problem. The first part is to determine if the inverse of the given function is a function. And the second one is, of course, to find the inverse of the given function. Okay, to start with, you need to graph 2 over x plus 3. So you have two ways. The first way is to use Desmos.com, or you're given your downloaded calculator in your laptop or Chromebook, the Texas Instrument, or you can use your other graphing calculators. If you graph it, you'll have this graph. Okay. Now, notice that no horizontal line intersect the graph more than once. Okay, so the inverse of f is a function. So after graphing, we need to apply here the horizontal line method in checking a function. So how do we do that? We draw a horizontal line, okay? So if you draw a horizontal line and if the graph of a given function intersected that horizontal line twice, it is not a function. But if the graph of a given function intersected the horizontal line only once, meaning it is a function. So in this case, this is a function. So how do we find the inverse of the given function? Okay, first step will be we need to set the function equal to y. Okay, that's the first step. Second is we switch. Remember when you say inverse, we switch. Okay, we switch places. So we switch x and y. So your y here became your x, and then your x here became your y. So we just switch. And then second step will be we solve for y. Okay, we solve for y. So as you can see here, we have here a ratio. So we have x, so that's only x. How can you express that into a ratio? We just place over 1. So x over 1 is equal to 2 over y plus 3. So this is a ratio. How do we solve that? We use cross multiplying or cross multiplication. So x times y plus 3 there, then 2 times 1, that's 2. Now we simplify. Now, here, since we are solving for y, we need to get rid of that x. Okay, so to get rid of that, we divide x on both sides, and you'll end up with y plus 3 is equal to 2 over x. So from here, since you are solving for y, next thing you'll do is subtract 3 on both sides because you want to get rid of that positive 3, and you'll end up with this function here. So the inverse now of f is equal to 2 over x minus